Hi, hello. In the last video, we discussed about complete tools and same as well drawings what are possible to draw in AutoCAD. Now, so today onwards, I'm going to explain about the SketchUp. So we already know we have some awareness about the SketchUp because it's a friendly software and same as well we can create any type of 3D part in this. Okay, so in any 3D modeling, whatever it will be, we almost done in our SketchUp. Okay, within a short time, we will complete our project. Here, I'm going to open my SketchUp portion. So this is my SketchUp icon. So in SketchUp, we know we don't have any units as AutoCAD. Okay, here only we have to choose which units we have to prefer to draw our drawing. If in case I want to draw a diagram in inches, then go with simple. Otherwise, architectural. Okay, if you want to draw the diagram in meters, just go with meters. And here also we have some of the millimeters, centimeters, and meters also. So choose whichever you want before entering to your interface. Okay, so here I am going to select the second portion. Okay, so this is my interface of the SketchUp. So here we can model any type of 3D sketch and we just go with render also. So in AutoCAD we don't have the possibility to show the light proper textures and the render also. So we already know what is the meaning of render. So render is the one which shows the realistic view. Okay, based on that we can change the texture values and same as well what kind of lights we have to use. Okay, what is the uh, weathering condition. Okay, these all we can include in our render. Everything will be there in that what we are seeing in our surroundings. The same thing also we can create in this. Okay, so this is my interface. So this is my first portion. So completely this is my workspace. So in this portion only we have to draw our diagrams. Okay, here I have some of the tools so which are used to implement our 3D model. And next here we have some lightings, and here we have some camera tools. Next, visual styles, what we are see in AutoCAD, the same thing will be there here only. Next, here we have some of the views. So what kind of views? Here we have, see, isometric, top, left, bottom and right. Okay, here we have the same tools. So here also we have the same tools. Next, here we have render tools, and here we have Enscape tools. If we have Enscape in your system, then we can use it in SketchUp. Otherwise we won't. Okay, so here have some section tools. But when we are entering to our SketchUp, we don't have any tools in our interface. We just have this workspace only. So in that case, how we get these all tools means just go to, so once again, okay, just go to view and select the toolbar. Okay, here we have the some of the options. See, camera. I'm offing my camera. If you require, you can on, and same as well drawing tools. And here Enscape tools we have. And next, large tool set means in this only we have the draw tools, modify tools, animation tools. Okay, zoom tools also we have. So completely we can call it as large tool set. And next here we have the measurement, which is most useful to specify the dimensions. So to give the dimension while implementing a 3D, otherwise a plan. Okay. Next, my section tools. So these are my visual styles. Next, my views. So V-Ray for SketchUp and same as well V-Ray light. So now we no need to require V-Ray SketchUp and same as well light because we are in initial stage only. So no need this off. Just I on visual styles, large tool set, measurement, section, okay, and views. Clear. And next same as well here. In the right portion, we can see the entity info. So this is the one which is used to show the dimensions of our diagram or 2D plan. Okay. Here, so here we have window and next window to default tray. Next, you can see the thing what we have. Firstly, entity info, materials, components, styles, tags, shadow and scenes. Okay, I will explain in brief in next videos. So firstly we want to know how to on off this portion. Okay, so for that I am going to window and default tray, and here just click on hide tray. If you need, then go with window, default tray and show tray. Clear? So these are some of the tools and same as well this is our interface of SketchUp. So today onwards we will work on this only. Okay. Next, and the most important thing is while we rotating the workspace, just use your middle mouse. Just hold your middle mouse and drag it. And one more important thing is here we have the three axes, X, Z, and this is our Y axis. While drawing a plan, we have to check in which direction we are giving the exact dimensions. Okay, in which face we are drawing. Okay, while going for copy or mirror, in that case, these of all use very these of all use very frequently. Okay, simply we can rotate our workspace of SketchUp. If you require this person, means this person show the view. Okay, how can we see the object? If I draw a rectangle here, for example, if I draw a circle here, this is my circle. Okay, I'm seeing in this portion. How is it look like? And next I'm moving aside. Then how does it look like? And the same portion. See, here axis is changing, position is changing, but the person who is there here, she is still the same position. Okay, what is the view we are seeing in particular portion? Clear? So this is our basic introduction of the SketchUp. In next videos, we will start the doing and how to implement, how to work in SketchUp. Okay, thank you and same as well. Bye bye.